Arab world and Turkey celebrates Eid al-Fitr. Trump wishes Muslim warmest greeting on Eid al-Fitr. Turkey no step back from Russian S-400 deal. Hamas military wing seeks support from Arab and Muslims. Death toll from Syria car bombing raises to 21. Iran says won't be intimidated by US sanctions. 35 killed as Sudan forces clear protest camp in capital. World reacts to bloody crackdown in Sudan. Sudan's TMC calls for election in 9 months. US President insults London Mayor Sadiq Khan. Bomb blast kills 5 Afghan civil servants in Kabul. Pakistan Army rejects BBC story on human rights abuse.